Hi, good evening everyone. This is Labyans and you're watching Labyans YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. And it is my off today, so that's why I started to make my blog since morning. And when I have off, I try to make video since morning so I can show to you what we do during off time and you can also do when you get off or when you have holiday and college school or is off or do work. You can do practice English as we do. So just I am waiting for water. After that I will take a bath because you know very well living in Bangalore you will get water on time. So that's why I'm waiting. After that I will take a bath and so I'm thinking to plan to go temple too. If I go there then I will make vlog over there and look at that morning time and every houses and I think people are getting ready for office, so no one is popping from roof or like corridor. Everyone is on place. I ready to go temple. I have taken bath, but you know I did one mistake. What happened with me? Like just I refresh and I was sitting over there on a stair and really means I forget that I have to go temple and I at my room there is something to eat like snacks. I put it yesterday and really I forget to that I have to go temple and I eaten something but that was sweet. Still I am going to temple. I will not do worship, just I will go there and from outside I will pray. As you know, after having something, if you eaten something then you can't do worship, so that's why I will not do worship, just I will go and pray something for myself. Okay, and Vinay is also going. He stay that building, you can see yellow water tank where put it, that building he stay. He called me, now I am going to meet them. He is waiting near my building and so I am going over there. With me Vinay is there.
Hi guys.
Hi. And look at the traffic of Bangalore, how it is. And really I was coming and I stuck there. I took 5 minutes to cross the road, just this road, you see that. I took 5 minutes. It was very rush and still it is very rush. I am on the way of temple. I am going to do worship. This is the temple and that and I hope you have already seen, you have already watched this temple. I make blog on it. I have already made 1-2 video on it. Just Binay Chef is taking flower or coconut for doing worship and photo is coming and you can put your shoe over there. It is usually made for put your shoe. It is also written there, notice please put your slipper shoe here, so you can put. It is a safe place, but I don't know why it is locked. It is locked, so I will put my shoe over there, temple. And as I told you, I will not do worship, just I will I will pray. I will fold my hand from outside the temple because I have already eaten by mistake, and cow is there. It is non goddess in Hindus. So cow is eating flower over there. You can see that. Now I will take 3 rounds of temples. As you know, in Hindu we take round of temple and first hit the bell and let me pray for something for myself. I did worship and now I am going to back. Just I have done worship, now going to back, and you know, there was one priestess. She was ladies, and really first as I meet her, I was thinking that she know Hindi or not, but really she was knowing Hindi, and she tell us our problem, that what problem you are facing in your life, and really she was very great and good to know about it. Now I am heading to my room, and my maybe will go any another temple, so we are on the way. Everything got over, worship has over. Now I was feeling very hungry, and I don't have money ATM to take out money from there, and I am waiting online. One of ladies went inside, so I am waiting. After that, after she took money, then I will go inside the ATM and take money and have something and drink tea. It is a morning time, I haven't breakfast yet. Tea and biscuit. Right now I came room, and after coming room I was looking my room, and what happened, just water fall down on roof, and my entire paper got wetted. I am getting dried, and it is evening time, so you will watch on my this video how we spend today when we actually I had off today. So it is evening time, just I was enjoying the moment, and I reach at this stage. I am going to end my blog. After coming from temples, I just finished my breakfast, and after that lunch, and I studied something, and I was very tired. I slept. After that, just right now I'm feeling very hungry. I'm going to outside to have something. So you have watched my blog how we do practice when we have holiday, and we as I starting time I told to you that when you have off, so you have more time to practice English and more time to give yourself to improve yourself. Whatever you have target goal you can do, because you get enough time that day when we have off, because that day we don't have another work. Yeah, we have another work like lots of cloth in a week, whatever we cloth we wash, iron, each and everything that day we have to do. But apart from that, we also have to give time on ourselves, so you can do practice as we did practice English today when we had off. Thank you so much watching my videos so far. If you are beginner and haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe it. And forward who all are learning English and trying to learn English, if they are stuck somewhere, then you can you can see another blog or anyone tech motivational and try to improve yourself. You can see that I was also not knowing anything about English when I started to learn English. At the starting time, I also faced lots of problem, but when you do everything continuously, regular basis, everything will fine. So do not think about it, just practice. Thank you so much watching my video, and see you in next vlog, because it's going to big vlog. I do not want to make, or else you will not watch my full vlog. So that's why. Thank you so much. See you in next vlog. Bye. Have a great evening ahead. Enjoy yourself with learning English, and good night. See you in next vlog. Bye.